If you're a serious hobbyist or about to take the leap to start your own powder coating business, the HotCoat powder coating booth and oven are exactly what you need to step up your efforts. We back each booth with a 1-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. They're made in America and each unit is available separately. Let's break down our favorite features these units have to offer. First is the HotCoat powder coating booth. This is a 4x4 by 6 foot booth and operates on 120 volt and is perfect for tackling wheels, ATV frames, rears, motorcycle parts, and more. It features a 2600 CFM fan and 2-stage HEPA filtration system that eliminates the need for the booth to be exhausted outside. That means no need to cut a hole in your wall for ventilation and worrying about the powder blowing around outside your shop. This powder coating booth is designed for performance and convenience. The booth incorporates LED lighting and features a full floor for easy cleanup. Once your parts are coated, it's time to cure them in an oven, and this is where the Eastwood HotCoat 4x4 by 6 foot powder coating oven comes to the rescue. Anyone who is serious about powder coating knows the importance of getting to the curing temperature quickly and maintaining that temperature throughout the entire process. Digital controls command 3 heating elements that output 35,000 BTUs of heat and can get the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in under 15 minutes. The included circulation fan ensures that the booth has no hot spots and the parts will cure quickly and evenly. The oven features a full metal floor that also incorporates a rail system specifically designed to accept a powder coating rack. The HotCoat powder coating booth and oven is a great turnkey system to get up and running as a small business or elevating your potential as a hobbyist. Backed by our Eastwood 1-year warranty, you can rest easy and know you're protected. For more information on this oven and booth, click the link to visit eastwood.com.